Hi, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how you can set up specific managers or supervisors for specific teams. So the first thing that you should know is that we have a few administrator permissions within Connecteam. So the first one is someone can be an owner, meaning that they have access to everyone and everything in the system. And the other one is that you could be an admin within the system, meaning that you might have limited access to specific features or even to specific users. So how do you actually make someone a manager or supervisor of a specific group? To do so, we need to head into the Smart Group section. And here I have created 3 different smart groups. If you don't know how to create your smart groups, we do have a separate video on that on our help center that you could look for. But for this specific video, I'm gonna head into team number 1. And for this team, we can see here that I have the group administrator section here that I can click on. And currently it's set to automatically add all admins to this group. So what I want to make sure to do is I want to untick these boxes, and now I can easily start to remove employees and say which administrators should be managing team number 1. And what's important to note is that when you're a manager of a specific group, it means that when you go to a specific feature, let's say the user section, you would only see those employees within your team. Same if you've activated the time clock or schedule, it means you would only receive notifications, requests, etc. about your specific team. So what you need to do is to basically go into each and every feature, click here, make sure you untick these boxes and remove the administrators, and do that for every single smart group. One thing to keep in mind is that one of the default groups in Connecteam is the all users group. So what you need to make sure is that you go into the all users group and also the all admins group and make sure to perhaps untick these boxes and remove the administrators from the all users group. Because if they are an admin of that group, it means they have access to all the users. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks for watching.